Hey, what's up, Zookeepers? I'm Russ. This is Dapper Dividends. You found me back here in the old Dividend Dungeon. And around these parts, we're all about passive income. It's no different with Zookeeper. I've really been loving using Zookeeper. It's fantastic. I highly recommend checking it out. If you don't know what Zookeeper is about, check this link out here to my video on Zookeeper for beginners. The safaris are coming on May 21st. Depending on when you're watching this, they may already be out. And in that case, this will get you caught up to speed on exactly what the safari pools are. The first ever vote was held, the community has spoken, and WASP, the WANSwap governance token, has won the vote. As you do see here, the community voted, they spoke. WASP won with 51.22% of the vote. WAN was a close second at 30%, and bringing up the rear was WAN Wrapped Ripple. So what are safari pools? I'm glad you asked. I'm going to show you. Let's take a peek under the hood. Beginning May 21st, you will be able to stake your zoo and earn rewards. This is going to greatly benefit those of us who would like to keep our zoo tokens. And the importance and benefit of creating these zoo staking pools is it gives the zoo token more utility and boosts the Zookeeper total value locked. There are no limits on how many zoo tokens you can stake. There is no lock period when staking your zoo tokens, and there is no penalty or fees upon entering or exiting the staking pools. Each pool will last 4 weeks, and there will always only be 2 active staking pools at a time. The first and permanent pool will enable you to stake your zoo and earn zoo token rewards. The second pool will enable you to stake zoo and earn the current community voted token or coin. So how does that work? The voting process is carried out during the first week of each month, and the result will be implemented in the following month. While one pool is active, the community will be voting for the next pool. And for each community vote, all coins or tokens listed on WANSwap will be available to choose from. To recap, from the 1st till the 7th of each month, voting will be open for the next community Safari Pool token. From the 8th till the end of the month, the team will implement gradual purchases of the token covered over a period of 3 weeks. Then on the 1st of each month, they will launch the new community-voted Safari Pool token or coin. The Zoo Safari will be permanent, where you can always stake zoo and get zoo. The second will be the community-voted, as in this example, you will be staking zoo and getting WAN-wrapped Bitcoin. As was detailed in their Zoo Tokenomics Medium article, the pool will be funded with 3% of over-the-top reserved for the safari pools. 40% of the 3% will be used to provide the zoo token rewards on the permanent pool of Zoo for Zoo. 60% of the 3% will be used over a 3-week span to purchase the community voted token or coin used as rewards on the community pool. Remember, there are no limits to how much you can stake in the safari pools. You will be able to add or remove as you see fit. I'm really excited for the pools to be coming. I will be staking zoo to get more zoo. I think it's really going to be a fantastic thing that it's going to boost the utility and the total value locked, hopefully increasing the price of those zoo. And we can't leave Zookeeper without taking a peek at the animals that I am currently farming. Raging Mane Leo, which is the Wasp to WAN pair, I have just left alone. I will be able to pull that out in 11 days. But I have been harvesting and topping up every day the Rafferty G Monet, which is WAN to WAN Wrapped Ripple, and Poly Bamboozle, which is the Phenexus token to WAN. Taking a peek in the marketplace, very cool to see that there are more and more NFTs coming online. Remember that each one is this sweet scented orange, is card 195. This is 232. Each one is a little bit different and unique. They are indeed non-fungible. Supply and demand will still apply to the marketplace, and as more of these NFTs are being released, they will drop in price. We clicked on the Insights tab to look at a few of the analytics. Zoo is currently $1.51 USD with a $7.88 million market cap, 61.5 total value locked. That is awesome. The burning rate is at 6.6%. Remember, if you buy a gold or silver chest, then you will burn those zoo, but if you stake them, as we see here, you stake them and you will receive those back in 2, 15, or 30 days. Everything you want to know about Zookeeper is documented here. I love it. And my favorite part, the 30 latest NFT transactions. You can see exactly what was issued, who bought what, and when you open a silver chest, you have a 1 in 10 chance of getting nothing. If you're as excited as I am about the Zookeeper Safari Pools that are coming up, let me know about it on Twitter at RustyRam78. If you got any value from this whatsoever, ring that bell. It's free for you. It does mean the world for me. If you're not aware of the passive income you can be making with WandSwap, check out this video I did right here, and I will talk to you there.